Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect Notion to Claude AI. First, go and log into your Claude AI account. Once inside, on the lower left panel, click on your profile, then go to Settings. Once inside the Settings, go to Connectors section. Then in here, go and browse for the connectors. Now, scroll down until you see Notion and click on it. But for here, we need first to upgrade to connect. But once you've upgraded, you can now go ahead and click on the connect button. Next, select on the workspace from Notion that you want to integrate, then go and continue with it. And there you have it. You're now successfully connected to Notion. And that's just basically it. That's how you connect Notion to Claude AI. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.